Hello, is my voice coming? I think I am connected now. Let me share my stream. I hope everyone is fine. Okay, so I hope I am connected now and my voice is coming clearly. So if my voice is clear and you are available, then write on chat so I can start the process further. Okay, so if my voice is coming, then we are going to analyze this liquidity suite expired advisor review, and I have built this expired advisor with my own strategy, and it's a liquidity base, and for only 3 years I have converted this into $500,000. So currently, first of all, let's go towards its inputs. So these are the first buffer points and then fixed SL. So fixed SL you can change up to 500 if you wanted, but 750 is recommended based on previous 3 years. And also market is very volatile day by day, and we cannot predict 100% that how much market is going to move next. So that's why we have a good 750 points SL. Okay, then max order replacement retries means 10. So usually these orders are placed when there is high liquidity areas, and sometimes market failed to go into market, and when market order fail or when broker does not allow that, then it will retry after this time. Okay, so then these three things comes London session. So we try to get liquidity on London sessions, and when New York session will come, we will try to place orders in the New York session. So this is actually this has two different strategies, mean two different orders are executed. One is based on overall, and second one and the second one is based on the session liquidity. Okay, so I hope No problem, you can watch the stream again if there is some issues. And then this is the moving average filter. Okay, so if stream is buffering, maybe we can use meet Google Meet. It will work very well. I don't know about recording, if recording goes very well. Sometimes it buffers, sometimes it goes very well. Okay, let me share Google Meet link. In Google Meet we can easily see these type of sharing. Let me share it so it will be easy. Okay, so I have shared the Google Meet link. You can come here. Hello, are you listening me now clearly?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let me share my entire screen. So you have got my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I was talking about this London session start hours and London session end hours. Okay, so
Okay.
this can be adjusted according to your broker settings. Okay, that depends on the broker. Then here moving average filter is used. So if you make it false, still it will work. It will place two orders on daily basis, 4 orders on daily basis, in which 2 orders will be executed. But if you enable it, it will only go with the trend. Okay, so only trending trades it will execute. Then if we go here, it's a 4 hour, and keep in mind that we are doing it on the 15 minute. Why? Because this is the ATR when we will make it true. So when our trade will go in little profit, it will consistently start trailing based on this ATR. So what is benefit of using ATR? Sometime market is very volatile and spreads are high, so this ATR will auto adjust according to the market, and then it will consistently trail that order, and if market is going up consistently, it will follow it and increase the profit. So this is the main thing which increase the profitability. Then here it comes to auto load. If you disable it, you can go with this you can go with this zero point 0.1 lot. But if you go if you go with this auto lot, then it will increase the lot when your balance will increase. For example, you are earning profits and your balance is increasing, it will consistently increase the lot. And if you have found some losses, or if your EA has hit some losses, it will decrease the lot. So this is how it works. And minimum lot is 0.1, and no, minimum is 0.01, and maximum is 50 lot. You can adjust according to convenience. And for the $1,000 only 0.1 lot will be used. So this is the 1%. You can even make it 0.2, but that goes little bit risky. Okay, so I hope all these settings are well clear. These times adjustment are very important, I will let you know. So all other settings are okay. So now let's back test this in this visualize mode, and let's see which type of results we will get. So you can see it has taken buy here, close here, buy here, and close here. Okay, so let me capture one trade. Then so you see here that here down it has put SL. Then when market goes into the profit, this SL suddenly starts trailing. So this SL does not hit. You can see that price is 1874, SL is 1873. So when market will consistently move upside, this SL will consistently go up. Okay, so here you can see that SL is moving upside. Okay, so market order is closed, and it has closed up to the 1874. So one more dollar it has closed. So this was the entry, this was the exit. If market has more volatility, if market goes upside, again it will trail it aggressively. So this is the power of trailing. Let's move further. And our account is already $300 above, but that depends on the conditions. This trade is win, this trade is win, and this trade is also a win. So let's move further, and this is 2K23. Let it run, and let's see. This is the graph which we are getting. So you can see that we are also getting losses, we are also getting profits. Okay, so here we have hit 2 SL, then we have here hit 1 SL, then 2 to 3 TPs. So these will oscillate above and below, but our main target is for the long term reliability, which is very important. And we have made up to 1800, which is very good. Now $2000, almost $3000 we have made till now, and it's 4 or 8 months. So you can see that it is going up, it is going down, both things are happening. But here if you see, then it has increased its lot. Here you can see that 0.21 lot is being traded, because we have made up to this much, lot is increased. Okay, so here if you see, same type of behavior. Here market entered buy side, then goes above, and then consistently trails it. Here buy order taken, here buy order taken. So you can see that it is taking the major liquidity sweep, which was these specific areas. Okay, so here SL had happened. So SL is the part of the game. Okay, so let's see, we have made $3500 in 2K23, and let's see the lot size. So now lot is increased to 0.3. Okay, so each trade is protected by SL, each trade is protected by the TP, and here now $4,000, and if we see the history, now 0.34. Okay, so let me give you one more thing, that here modeling is every tick based on real ticks. So data is 100% accurate, and it cannot be manipulated. I will show you the this is the graph which we are looking at it. You can see that from 6th to 9th months we did not make that much, and still we have some losing months, but overall we are in positive side. Okay, so some months of course can go down, it's part of the game or part of the trading. So when you will hit SL, or when some months will go into negative, it will decrease its lot according to the balance. Okay, so let's mark it further, and here we have built up to $6,000, and you can see that we are trading now 0.61 lot. Okay, so here 6,000 has made. This is the power of, you can say that, compounding, and when consistently lot increases, uh, it will of course increase more balance. So here $6,000, and now you can see that we are now trading 0.72. Let it run, and now it's 2K24 4 months, and we have made up to $15,000. Here is the graph, you can see. Now let me show you the graph live, how it is going, because you can see that it is not steady graph. We are not adding any more trades, we are only taking one trade at one specific time, and we are not making martingales or other stuff. Here these 1 or 2 months goes negative, then again it recovered that. So you can see that here now we are taking trades with the 2.49 lots, and this is the balance. Now we have started with $1,000, and here if you see, here we have hit SL, here we have make profit. Here when trade happened, its stop loss was placed, but now it is in profit, and SL is consistently moving with the price. Okay, so when market will go more down, more SL will trail. So this is the answer of your question which you have asked, that it will not give benefit because 30/70 will be equal, but this is the power that it trails, it's not 100% 30 pip TP. So whenever market will try to reverse, you can see that whenever market will try to reverse, it will instantly close that trade, so it can never hit loss, or it can never go into loss, it will instantly close that. So let's go to graph, and here it's a 22K24 6th month, and we have made up to this 31K. It will grow exponentially when it will go up to this much, because lot is consistently increasing. I will also improve more and adding some different things, and that updated version will also be provided to you. So all updates are free for the lifetime. So here if you see, now this is a losing streak in the 2K24. So each year have some losing streak, each year have some winning streak, but we should be in profit overall. Okay, so again it will pick it up in 2 or 3 months. So this month I think 8th, yeah, last year August was not good, and now it has recovered in the September. Okay, so these are the normal things because this is called the real trading. If we are getting only one equity curve from this point to this point, then of course it's purely gamble, because all those expired advisors which are available on the MQL5, all they have the grid system or martingale system. So we have not to go with those things, because martingale will blow your account one day, grid will blow your account one day, but this cannot blow your account. Why? Because it has some strong risk management, it has some strong TP and SL, all those stuffs. Yeah, we have tested it with the 2K23, and you can see that we are above 100k. Here you can see we have gone up to above 100k, then again came down, again it will recover. If we test it with the 2K22, then it will go up to 400k. Yeah, so here goes up to here, again came down, again it will recover. So total 66k profit, and profit factor is 1.15. So this is the buffer. You can try this buffer with different settings. It will help you very much. So let's analyze its deals. Here you can see that it has hit SL with this minus 5000 SL with the 7 lot, and then it has made $3,000 profit, $2,000 profit. Here you can see that $4,000 profit. So these are also SL there, and these are the SL, these are the TP. So you can see that TP and SL of one trade is almost equal. So which means that it's not 100% 30 pip or 70 pip system. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to ask. Of course I will answer that.
Okay, bro. What will be the minimum amount which we require? Is it $1,000?
Yeah, it's a $1,000, that's it. No needed to add extra, that's enough for this system and let it run for 2 years or 3 years. It will give insane profits. If it does not give profits, it will not give losses. But of course, we have back tested it. We are consistently improving it, so no needed to worry about anything.
Whether we can use it in spread account?
Sorry.
Spread account. Can we use it in spread account? Normally,
it,
brokers are having spread, na?
it will work with any type of account. No needed to get spread account or ECN accounts. If you get that, it's good, but it's not necessary requirement. It will work with all type of accounts. Okay, so you can see here that 33, 39 and 33.41. So it's a huge difference. We are not working with very low spread, but it's a I think 20 or 30 pips total, so it's absolutely fine.
Okay. Can I ask you that whether you are the developer of this board?
Yeah, I am own developer here. I can show you. Let me show you. This is the coding which I have done. So it's a
And
auto lot. You can see here
when,
auto lot. Here you can see the name auto lot,
okay.
and here
Sure,
is the
just to let me
here is
know
the
whether you are a developer or not.
no.
That's why I asked you.
I am
Then
on.
I got a next question.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't know whether you like it or not. Can we have another bot with if I tell you there will not be no logic or nothing. If we give an input level for buying and
Okay.
with a stop loss,
Okay.
then and with a target also, whether such a simple bot can be done, because most of the time I'm into trading for the last 3 years, but
Okay.
what happens is that whenever our level is reached, we will
Okay.
be out of station, out of the desktop. So mostly we will miss the trade opportunity now. That is why. So when we set for that, we can set limit order also, but sometimes it may not work, because sometimes if we put the limit order, then it may hit SL. Then again it will cross our. It will go to our direction only.
Okay.
So at that time again to put the limit order again. Now. So if a particular level is arrived for a particular pair or gold, so then buy order should be executed with a particular stop loss and particular target.
Okay, so if you wanted a custom bot or your strategy, then you can send me on WhatsApp. I will see that it's reliable or
There,
not.
there, is, there is no particular strategy. Okay, there is no particular strategy for that. On
Ex-
different days, we are having different levels mm, based on our analysis now.
so then it
So
will
if I
it
set
yeah, that's possible, but you have to consistently give that analysis. You have to consistently watch that bot on
that I can
permanent.
do, that I can do, that I can do,
Yeah,
that I can do.
that's
Only thing is
possible.
that daily I will give input. Daily I will give two or three inputs to the EA, so
Okay.
that what is the buying level and what is the selling level, and what will be the my SL and what will be my target, that I can give. And also if I can vary my lot size, that also. And only thing is that it should execute whenever the price reaches that position. That is the only thing.
But I don't think when market will reach there, and why it should not execute. I don't know. I am not getting
No,
exactly your
no,
point.
because actually, if I feel that today's level is 3550 for buying, and my SL is 3545, and my target is 3570, let it be. And if market reaches 3550 from the to 3560 level, normally I can put a limit order.
Okay, so
But what
the,
happens is
okay, so let
from
me
3550, okay,
let me understand your logic. That, for example, this is your buying area, and you are saying that market usually came up to here and then again goes upside, so it does not fully hit your price level or your order.
will hit my, it will take my order and it will give my target also. But sometimes what will happen is that it will hit my SL and will again go back to my target. So during that scenario I have to put another order now.
So actually these type of things cannot be controlled, the specific scenario which you are asking. So if your order has hit SL, then just move further. We can't do anything. So we cannot
But a board
encounter
can
it. We
but a board but a board can, if my SL is hit, board can place another buy stop order for me now for at that particular level itself.
actually these type of approach cannot lead you towards success. Why? Because you are entering on the same setup again. So if when, due to any
No,
reason,
for one,
if one setup is
for
failed, you
one day,
cannot enter.
for one day only I'll be entering in such a level. For the next day I'll be having another level for the same.
Yeah, one scenario is possible. One scenario is possible that, for example, this was your buying level, and
Okay.
market has reached at this level, and below was your order, and your order was not executed, and market suddenly moves upside. So we can do a bot on which we can give range like 3492 to 3506. So whenever market will reach in this zone, it can enter into a trade. But when it will hit a SL downside, or it will hit a SL here, so if you see, then sometime market again will go upside after hitting your SL. So then don't need it to enter in this setup. If your analysis fail, or if your trade is fail, we cannot enter again. Here in my uh, trades, I have seen multiple uh, orders in which SL goes hit, then again market goes in the same direction, but I do not enter again, because once SL is hit, that's it. We will move to next day, then we will see the market next day. So entering two times with the same setup, it does not matter your SL hit or not, but don't enter in the same setup for the two times. And if your SL is hit, just leave that. We cannot do anything. If for example, here was your SL and market, uh, for example, here was your SL above, and market just touched your SL and again goes down, but you cannot do anything in this scenario. You have to accept your destiny. So this is how this whole market work. We have I have analyzed, even I am a volume spread analysis trader, and if I see, then you can see my all codes. So I have tested thousands of strategies. You can see here, these all are my strategies. Even I have tested martingale strategies, grid strategies. Here you can see this is the grid strategy. It's also working, but I am not selling you. Why? Because I know it's a grid strategy, I know it's working, but how much time it will work, I don't know. Maybe in next year, and the next year it will blow your account, but because I know it's a martingale. Still, this is the another strategy. It is based on volume spread analysis, no supply, no demand basis. it usually works in one specific time frame or 1 year, then it will not work in other year. So this is another strategy. So I have tested thousands of strategies, and to come up to this strategy which I have shown you here, so it takes a lot of time, and I have gone through with all these scenarios. Okay, so this
Definitely, it
we
takes a lot
cannot.
of time. Your efforts are showing in the screen also.
Yeah, I think all everything is going in the stream. Our talk is maybe going there, but no problem. It's uh, it's fine. So I hope each and everything is clear,
Yes.
and
But how it will be implemented? How I can get this bot software? You are giving me through online or WhatsApp?
actually you can send me your account number, MT5 account number, and
Okay.
I will code your account number in this EA, and it will work on your account which on which you will use. And
Okay.
if you have any issues, or if you have any reasons, or whenever we will make a update on it, or when we will upgrade it, we will share the file and all other stuffs. And as far as payment is concerned, so you can make a payment through your card if you have. And actually it's a I use Payoneer, but if you are not a user of Payoneer, still you can pay through your card to that platform, and they will give me. So it's absolutely fine. And if you have still any queries, you can ask me. I will send it through your email, or better is you can send me your email and send me your account number of MT5, and I will transfer it to you. And if you found any issues like session timings, so I will adjust session timings. And maybe if I needed to get any disk access, then I will access it. And or you can use it with the RDP is recommended. So in that RDP, uh,
What is RDP?
RDP is remote desktop computer. So in that, it is just a computer where that is hosted on other servers, and you can access it from your computer. Benefit of that is it will run 24 hours, and you can off your computer. Okay, so when, of course, you have to buy RDP. I think it's a $10. I think it's a $10 per month or something like that. In that RDP, your bot will work 24 hours, and you can easily off your PC, because if you are not available.
Where can I RDP service?
Sorry.
Where can I get this RDP service?
RDP, there are multiple websites available. One is DG RDP, and others are also available. So you will get that computer, you will install your broker MT5 there, and you will connect that account. Then I will set up
Any suggestions from your side for RDP?
what
Any suggestions from your side for RDP provider?
necessary.
No, any suggestions or any particular RDP which you prefer? That is, I am asking.
I am using. Uh, I have used DGRDP, DIGIRDP. It's all those
Okay.
RDPs are good everywhere. You can choose according to your convenience. There are thousands of sellers there. You can choose anyone, no problem.
Actually, I didn't use RDP till now. That's why. Is it trustworthy?
Yeah, it's trustworthy, no problem. You can change your password and all those stuffs.
Okay.
There will not any issue. And as far as these session times are concerned, because of course we have to convert it into the your
Is
broker
is
times.
it that in an XPS server, something like that?
These are the
That
times,
also will.
these are the times we needed to adjust according to your broker server. Okay, so I will, you can tell me your broker name, and then when we
I'm
will
using
we will
XNet.
I will help you to install this bot on that RDP. So when it will be ready, then I will leave. Okay, so you can watch all these things or steps. So actually this can be little bit tricky because each broker have different times for the different sessions. So fitting exactly based on those session timings is very necessary for this. Okay.
Okay, actually right now I'm using the XNet broker.
Yeah, XNX is good broker. You can go with it. Then I will
Okay.
adjust those timings with it. No problem.
And anytime I can monitor.
Yeah, anytime you can log in to your RDP and check how bot is running, which trade it has taken, and how much your account has growth, and you can see all your history and all that stuff.
And it may cost only $10 per month,
Yeah,
or
yeah, it's
like,
just $10 per month, not that much.
okay, okay,
Actually it has multiple plans, but don't need it to buy extreme plans. Just go with basic one, which is $10. That's enough.
okay, okay, bro.
Okay, bro.
Now it's clear.
Okay, thank you very much.